fifth place finish was brilliant for us. I think as a group we feel we could finish in the top four. Again, there's some quality teams this year and a few teams have made some good signings, so it'll be tough, but I think that's got to be our aim.
Hopefully with our tight-knit group we can just stay consistent again and hopefully get into the top six, if not higher. Yeah, I felt we could have done a little bit better in the Welsh Cup and at least got to the final in the Europa League playoffs. Yeah, but I mean, you can't argue with a fifth place finish, but this year again we got to set a higher target, at least top four.
Got told out to chip in a bit more and help Jace. The first year when Jace was here, he scored a lot of goals and not a lot of people were helping him out. So we made a target I had to get over double figures, and I got that by Christmas. I think we've got to be looking at top four, even though the league's stronger. We've got a strong squad as well, so top four has got to be our ambition really.